Right, so this could get a little bit interesting. Who's more dominant, the chicken or the magpie? Oops. Oh, okay, well that answers that question. Wow, I didn't expect that. I thought Megas would be the one. Come back, Megas. Go. Mind the psychopath chicken that thinks it rules the world. Go, Megas. I don't know, the chicken's hiding now. Hiding behind the tree. Okay, I think I just have to change my spot. Try not to get skip him there. He's pretty cool. Megas knocks on my door in the morning, except this morning it was too early, and sings to let me know he's there. Seriously, he sings, and I think he's training me. He's training his human so that I will open the door and feed him squares of cheese. I'm training him and he's training me. Isn't that the way of it? I happen to know he's got a family and I know where he lives. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh God, here comes another one. You go, Megas. Oh dear. Yeah, so it's quite lovely. It's Sunday, it's cruisy. Brownies are being baked. Coffee is brewing. There may be a chicken magpie wall brewing as well, but I don't think so. Basically, they just get along. They have their differences. Scram. And oops, big pardon for all that. So I'm trying to hold it and feed things as well. Here you go, Megas. Yeah, so, oops, kia ora. So, coffee and brownies coming right up. Yum. Sure smell good too. And I'm not even baking them, they're being baked for me. It's even better. So, have a fabby day. I'm just going to sit here and contemplate chickens until things are ready and meditate. These aren't our chickens, these are the neighbour's chickens. And yeah, obviously day spa's over. Madam, I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but this is what I do for my chickens. Watch. They all come and do that in front of me, so I will do that. Oh my God. Oh my God! Get off my table! Oh my God! You're on my table! You bloody wobbly. Oh my God, now I've got dust all over me. Scram! Scram! Go on, shoot! Yes, so this is the crazy day at the chicken ranch. Magpie will come back later. We'll see how that goes. Right now, I'm going to get in the garden, do some more grounding. So enjoy your day, put your roots in the ground, drink lots of water, breathe in the sun, close your eyes and breathe in the sun. Just look at this. Hello. Come on, chickadee. got to say? Right. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, bye now.